Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings to the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. You know, see, and all things that's good, cheerful, encourageable. You know, see it. No. And I want to say, enough respect to our viewers and subscribers. You know, see it. And if you're just a pass through and come across the channel somehow, I hope you like the content and ask enough to subscribe. You know, if the word subscribe is black, we're good. But if it's red, you don't know. Press on it and make it get black. See? Just can grow the channel, like, you know? No. So since week, you don't know, we put some effort and some energy into addressing the politician them at Jamaica and them approach towards the thing, you know, see, because again, them they are the top of the chain, you know, and that them supposed to be the role models. The role models today of just, you know what I say, of what we would love to see the youths them develop into or something like that. Some sort of emulant, you know, we know that. We know so these things are what, you know, change are is a possible means to a change. You know, see it, given the whole atmosphere what go on in Jamaica today. You know, see, take the normal, the island too small and them type of thing, then the way it go on, it not go on right. So we are hope, say, the people them were in a position, in a certain position, just factor that into them day to day and know that, boy, at the future that can't be selfish and greedy. You know, see, we are chart our path, yes, but we have to take consideration for others, a blessing that as well, you know, see, and in so doing, you know, like I said, the men and women of influence, just bear that in mind and know say it's a strategy. It's a basic strategy and nothing new, where I try dictate a basic strategy in community development and things like that. You know, see it where the elder them and the one them where I push certain energy, make it like a point of duty. You know, see it for ensure say there's a certain level of confidence building. You know, certain try be a certain way so that's the youth them can, you know, be positive. So that's the youth them can be positive. You know, see, because the energy where you flow at it basically follow you, you know, see it. So, more to you don't know, we have to take the time for big up some subscriber them today. Because all the while you don't know, we have to take the time and give a shout out to the boss. You know, see, the boss them will make the whole thing possible. You know, see it. And and continue to encourage the thing same way. And I give thanks to the eye them, and you know, it's like me say, it's a togetherness. A go on. You know, see it. Now you have some people who comment and say, I take side, I'm a politician and thing like that, which is a stupid assessment of the situation, because as soon as you go some up and you find some sort of disagreement, or you have a disagreement with certain things, certain policy, immediately the argument, the simplistic way of to challenge that or to defend your claims or your position is for simply say, or you is from the other side of the sphere. So that means for no politics will not deal it. No member of the party is allowed to complain or see any difference from the dictator, you know. You know, see, I even have an opinion outside the way the dictator have. You know, see, because once you show any form of opinion that is dissent, and it simply means you switch and you go up on the other side. So straight execution, disgrace and execute you. You see, rather than explain things to the idiot like myself when I understand and I ask question, rather than explain it, it take too much effort. We don't know lazy politics. So you just jump up, oh, you're PNP. Go from over here, sir. You fight for politics. Without even observing my history. Without even observing other contents on the platform or in my channel. You know, see it. You know, see it. Without even finish watching the video when I talk, when I defend your right, your dignity. Regardless, but I know who Uno is because I live through all heap of Uno. See? Guardians for against poor people's progress. You know, see, here what Uno do now. Uno find yourself in a position where Uno are the representation, community representation. You see, all of Uno, we call on yourself community leaders, community organizers, political activists and things like that. We're going to educate the people about Uno, you know. When you think, you know, they are swing, and them off, and hey, people, I'm telling you this what them boy they do. See? Them boy they carry on a complaint go tell politicians. Sometimes some things want to not see it. Them boy they see it already. Like Fisher said, I road they for fix. And them boy will go tell politicians say, yo, the people them a protest. And I road them want to fix them like that. And them are going like them want to switch and things like that. And the politicians say, alright, what we can do for calm them down and thing. Yo, fix the road. Politician give him the contract, him just come run 1 inch of asphalt on a road where usually are supposed to get 5-6 inch asphalt. Pocket the whole of the money there. You know, see it. If him do the road any at all as well. You know, see it. But him sure say him do something. Usually sure say him do something because, again, him no want the politician choose somebody else over him. Because politician will do that, you know. Politician will get start run the contract. All the while them do that. Run the contract them through somebody else. You know, see it. If you are going like, you know, maintain for them level of integrity with them, the liquor where them have. You know, see it. You know, see it. And then now, the poor people, when I really get no road done, is automatically suppressed by any means necessary, both psychologically and physically, by the so-called era leader, political activists are done. You know, see it. You have times when politicians don't even want to do nothing. And can't bother with that. You know, see it. Think about it. The dance, the activists them and them people I feed them motivation and energy the people them watch, fearing the reprisal if them ever show any sort of concern or argument that doesn't align with what the political leaders say. Because people like these stand up at the gate with a rifle them and the handgun them, and I collect for them pound of flesh ever so often, every holiday, every contract or boss and all of them thing there. You know, see, them guys maintain the status quo in the ghetto, be it PNP or be it GLP. You know, see it. This is how the politician run and maintain for them agenda, for them status quo, for them space, for them relevance, or appear to be relevant. You know, see, because these type of people come to you when it come to election time or when it come time for have any form of thing to do with government or any form of concern of the people. And this guy go make representation on your behalf and make representation from the politics. He is the go-between. He is the one who make the politician know everything alright, we can't deal with that. Me stop them from riot over that and thing like that. Just give him my little thing. And him alone take that and him go where my film family, film pick them go good school and all of them. You could think them, you don't notice them thing there. And them thing them I get paid for, I get paid for keep on calm. Suppress on opinion and on disgust. On distaste, on dislikes. You see it? Most dance when them create and position at that them dead for that them purpose. So when them serving with the politician there. See? And some of them activists there, them tired idiot there, we they even demand education from them political party. Come here with them stupid lazy attempt at discredit. You know, see it, a claim say, because me talk about the 500 acre where the idiot, one of the most cuss undiplomatic politician Jamaica ever have. See? Own 500 acre land and nobody not supposed to question him come by that. We're not stupid Rasta, and because we question it, PNP we are different. At East Kingston, we come from the first political, any politics me mention upon this. Philip Palwell, and me put a fire upon Philip Palwell. Wicked, no blogger, nobody, no news, nowhere. No put the fire upon Philip Palwell. You know see, it's not a bragger or a boss. You know see, but no come around with the partiality, the lazy thinking, lazy way of thinking. You see, because that now I'm gonna away again. Rasta surpass them strategy there and have counter for them. Even before, you just make yourself look stupid when you make an argument like that. You know, see it? That's, you know, I'm just to show you the level of people where politics attract in order to deliver them narrative and maintain them stereotype. Because them can't, you know, see it? A fool like Unu, I come use them idiot tactics there. You know, see it? You didn't even take the time because I said I could look in at him channel first before we use our critiques like that. Yo, listen, me a Rasta. Me not shave my nose. Me do it sometime, but me not do it regular. Me not know if me can't balance. See, it's a time after that. It's the ear them in eye. Yeah? Especially when I wash my face. See, because anytime I come on live, I wash my face and get it dry and cool and thing like that. For the girl them. See? So it's when I not go so at the ear them in my nose, a stick or a scratch or a itch. Something like that. See? And I don't do coke. So for some guy who sit down there and I admire that and I use that as some sort of critique or attempt at insult. Rasta no go fix up and find a life. And allow man, make man help the demographic that I am trying to reach out to. When you come on with a little petty squabble, dislikes and protests and things like that. When you just look like a man on a love Rasta. You know see it? You stop to them little idiot thing them and I go look at. Then again I go a man on a love. You know see it? I see people with love man usually choose some type of man with unattainable. It turn them on. That's why I don't really keep gay friend. I don't have the problem with them, you know. But I can't tell say a guy now gonna feel vulnerable, drunk, sexy, or whatever one at the time, and just try grab me or make a mistake. Like people do that all the while. Me have girlfriend where me do that all the while. Get the wrong message. Thinks I should go further and thing like that. And it was just a friend thing. You know, see, it happened to me. So me not see myself different. I just nature. So that's why, you know, give people free for jump on and comment and make them suggestion and thing like that. I know say I one of the thing that about gay people. You know, see, them love go after straight men. Even when it's like a turn on because them know it's harder to come forget. You know, see, and one of the biggest conquests for them for know so them turn a straight man. You know, see, so me understand where I come from, but stop make them little trivial issues there. Be a factor in a conversation because regardless who you is from your black, this platform here is to educate and try benefit your longevity, your status, your qualities of life. You understand what I say? So no bother with that stupidity there. You know, see, lower that over there, so because we not trouble gay people over here, so neither. See? And them type of people, they alone admire man. And if it was a woman I said, I could understand. You know, see, because Poochie line and the following, and I saw Poochie stay, I be trouble Poochie. If you don't see Poochie accuse me or criticize me, don't jump on it lower. Me ask you to, because you know, go down the line over here, you know, see where she tell you, Rassi, and she say a joke, she make her such a stay. Don't follow Poochie. Me have only part of people who are bigger because of that I will put that's this segment here about today still. But we have to move up the politician, them come in here with them competition. You know, see, big up yourself, Miss Serena Atkins. You know, see, yeah, man. I love how you simplify things and explain things to me. Enough times, when you put things, you just put it in a little paragraph and fix it up decently. And a lot of cases, it helped me to deliver myself in enough other, you know what I say? Post things again and things like that. I love that. See, Newville again, you're like, you know how, Nerville, you don't know how your energy is like a plug, you know, more time. They say you just plug in. You saw me as my family. Big up yourself, Jabi. Mad love and mad respect to you, my elder. You see, yes, I. Big up yourself, my mother, Pinche. See, Bombal, it don't know my general, my elder, it don't know mad love and respect, you know, see, health and strength and guidance and protection, you know, see, man like you are the epitome of what I try, highlight, I introduce to them. So, just get fit, my general, you know, see, yeah, seeing, man like pie, mad love and blessings and respect to the item. You know, see, all of the elder them. All of the elder them. Big up yourself, man, like Frank. Yeah. I'm not going to say the other name because I know he's a man stay. You know, see. And I'm mad respect seeing him, my elder. Yes, I. And we now watch time with that one, because enough people. And we give thanks to all the people and put this weight there and it make it reach weight there. So you don't know me now. Probably all our viewers will just come through, might not like the whole thing, but I have to big up the people that I work for. I have to big up my boss, them. I want them to know. I have to be an idiot. I have to suck up to my boss, them in a rasta. I not be like some boy who are going like say my job no mean nothing to me, you know. You're mad. My position is great. You know, see it. Grand Pooba. Respect for the high road advice, my family. I love that. Respect, man. Yeah, man, I give thanks. Yeah, man, I always take into consideration what matters to the item. You know, see it? I know be smart. Enough respect and love. You know, see it? Yeah. Ninja United. Respect. Hope you're subscribing to my family. You know, see it? Big up yourself, Miss Lisa Smith, Miss Serena Atkins, Laurel, may I'll get back to you later. Carlton Jackson, Ras Mosiah, Mark Tafari, Scene, Prosperous Youth, Prosperous K. Big up yourself. You know, see, Casper Benjamin, mad love and respect. You know, see, Omar Virgo, long time you're there with over general. Big up Jinx. Yes, Jinx. I don't know where you're but big up Jinx. You know, see, we love your name. Big up yourself, Jinx. You always have some serious things to say, you know. You know, see, Clement Wilson. You want me, you know. You see, His Majesty is an emperor. See, from a monarch. See, a more original, long-standing monarch than the Queen, than the Anglo-Saxon monarch. You see, His Majesty sanctified. His Majesty's position is King of Kings. You understand? So So essentially, he is their king. You understand me? So it's not like he is seeking sanctuary or anything like that. By law, it's his kingdom, Rasta. Think about the whole process. It's like a captain, a sergeant, a corporal. You catch the drift? Yeah, so you know these things happen. See? And it's, don't make much out of that. It's not really a defense of such in regards to the facts of, well then, she bow to His Majesty. Show you, man, that it is about. You know, see, the picture there in the thumbnail, Rasta, you can't, you know what I say, them argument and I make the sense, my brother. You know what I say, more time, silence is fitting, Rasta. You know, see. Clement Wilson. Yeah, man. No disrespect. Memphis Noble. Yes, I. Ajay, yes, I. Yes, I. Enough respect. See? Yeah, big up yourself, Shan Dizzle. Big up yourself, Yannick Hype. Thing like that. Love on the program. And thing you don't know. Keep it going. See? Yeah, man. Laurel Newman. Laurel Newman. Big up yourself, Muma. Empress. You know, see? Empress. Yeah. Nana P. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. You know, see? Suzette Williams. Big up yourself, Suzette Williams. Enough respect. And you're funny. Me love your idea. Me love your quick them. Me love all your day thing. Me love your how you put your argument them, you know? Yeah, you give me a smile all the while. You know, see it. Sark. It's not what even said sarcasm, you know. It's that I can't even, I just love it, to be fair. It's not, yeah. All right, Alex and Jackie Tolo, you don't know. Big up yourself, my family. I hope the kids and the children are okay. Yes. Yeah, and I hope they will learn the pattern more and more. I hope they will gravitate to the pattern more and more and I get free. Because, you know, it's about them, you know. And them are the future, you know. Them, we are trying to educate and coax. You know, if we can get the parents, them to understand that, say, this is how we can even divert from what I go on today, you know, see, is by addressing or hijacking the future, you know, see, which is the younger one, then we come up. It's a strategy, Rasta. You know, see, we don't condemn the one, then we're up there. We can't do that, you know, because we don't create an enemy. And again, them our future same way. You know, see, so if we hijack the one, then we come up next. You know, see, and change them perception of things. You know, I said give them confidence and self-esteem and ambition and hopes. Create some false, fake hopes all when it there. You know, see? So that's them that way inclined or motivated that much for go that way there. You know, see? And enough time, the one them are gone already are up there, you know. Observe the one them we are coming, you know, and them progress and ambition and all them think and things like that. And when them realize, say, them youth and think like we are not think like we, you know. You see, that night itself alone where even trigger something in a them, you know. Some level of rationality where them have even come down back after. Them I ask for them, I take time just when we go foreign or some other place and take time, diminish. You get what I say? It's a strategy, Rasta. It can work. You see, no for no complain and discredit and I try do this and diminish and what the solution we want to come up with, Rasta? Mine might not be workable, you know. But these are the things that make progress. Attempts, failures are progress because you're going to try a different strategy and the next one where you try my work, Rasta. Come on. I'm stop going selfish and I benefit from the people in ignorance and love it. And anybody will try and make an attempt to come with a ridiculous, unlearned, unintelligent attempts at insulting others when you want to insult your own intelligence. So I'm going to bless up the boss then. You see, Robert Phillips, big up yourself, my family. You see, big up yourself every time. See? Charmian Phillips. You don't know. Keep the thing. Dirty shot. My general. I mean, man. Great minds, man. Great minds, yes, sir. Just keep it going, my general. You don't know. I respect your input them, man. I love it, man. I hope you're there, so I watch till now. No, it's a man who did sticker. It's a man. Eyes is eye. You don't see it. Yes, I. Yes, dirty shot. Jane Brown, respect for the input. You don't know. Mad love. Mind strong. Respect. You know, see it. I'm glad for the subscription, man. Mind strong. MS. Yes, I give thanks. You know, see it. Andrew Straw. Yeah, man. Pinchy say. Pinchy. Big up Pinchy. Andrew. You don't know, man. Pinchy. Big up Pinchy every time, man. See it? Mad soldier, man. Enough respect for the input, my general. You know, see it? Keep it coming, man. You know, see it? All the way. You know, see it? You know, see it? And all of the people, them, man, you don't know, man. Just keep it respectful and don't, so that we can have a reasoning and a discussion, man. And I will comment, you know, see it? Benito Campbell. Enough respect my family. See it? Yeah, man, enough respect. Love the input, man. Keep it coming, man. Naya Paul. Big up yourself, Aya. See? Yeah. Foundation. Yes, mad soldier, man. You know, see it. Mark Brown. Yes, I. Big up yourself, youth. Long time you're there, too, you know. Yeah, man. Alston Union, Docras. Junkasa. Family. Alston. Yo, Alston, link up no man. I tell you, me went him there, Warieka underscore. Warieka Hills at Instagram. You know, see, just give me a message and I can share your number. Because we can't talk by yassa. We shouldn't be speaking certain things on here. You understand me? Certain things are like, you know, information. Yeah. Mark Springer, keep it coming in on my general. The comment them, the I input them is, yeah. Yes, I respect, man. See? Kirk Wise, yeah, you're there a long time to big up yourself, me, you. Rai Brown, don't respect. Anthony Christie, yes, I. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. R.G. Burnett, Jem Barrett. Big up yourself, Jem Barrett. See? Clayton Smith. Big up yourself, my family. Love the input. Enough respect, man. You know, see it? Yes, I. Balfour Clark. Poochie Lie. I say, that woman there. I say, more time some people, more time when I love. You have some people where I meet it like this, you know, when I love just look at chill with them and I listen to them and I watch them and I live for them life. This time, you know, but I feel like we have a nice day. We have a nice time. You know, not like me I ridicule or humiliate or, you know what I say? But just for there around some people, poor or rich, and enjoy them energy, the aura, them energy when them get into that. Yeah, that'll be a nice experience and them could think that I enjoy still. You see me? People. You know, see? Big up yourself, Miss Poochie. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I love your energy, man. I mean, man, just stay strong, mommy. More life, more love, more prosperity here. You know, see it? Yeah, man. Rashid Lee, big up yourself. Lexus Bond. You know, see it? Big up yourself. Ashley Agaro. Don't know. Respect for the input, man. You know, see it? Yeah, let's you know, see it? Activism. Big up yourself, my general. Big up yourself. You have a man named Winston C. Aarons. You want him to me and you know, my general. You know, see it? Yeah, boy, me don't reason with you already. Me don't even know do it for you. You know, see. But I mad love and respect same way in a Rasta. But me I say, if we have something to discuss, because we build this, you know, we, us, You see, and if we want to keep it straight, we keep it straight. We can't make other people we have visit and a seat as certain like, digs and innuendo and thing like that, like it's a fight we a fight or an argument we have. No, if we just point out certain things, man, respectfully, Rasta, like the whole of we mistake, Rasta. I want to hear. I don't want to think this, you know. Point out certain things, big man way, grown up man way, and a little mix up around this, like so well, and you want people feel like we're at war. If it's something you don't like, Rasta, just say, yo, Rast, fix that. I want that. And make we discuss it, Rasta. You know, just jump. Yo, the youth them for learn what the police can do so that it stop them and prevent them from freaking do certain things because they know them not gonna get away. Rasta, we're not there for solve crime, my general. When you solve crime, somebody dead already. I prevent the thing from happening. It's a deterrent that when we educate them, say, yo, the police them have certain technology. Think about it, my general, my elder man. Not do me that, man. Stop doing that in a Rasta. Not do me that again, man. And that's how we live, man. That's how we live, Rasta. And I don't know why they do it, man. Like, so well then. You know, see it like me profess perfection. Rasta, I'm far from perfect, man. I try. Well, I hope. I communicate that enough, you know, and they don't feel like, say, I impose or I dictate, you know, see, more I just passion, you know. Whatever passion I push it, Rasta, you know. Oh, yeah, I get loud. I just passion I push Rasta, and I, you know, see it. I just love seeing way, man, you know, see it. I just passion. You know, see it. Enough time certain things will make explain itself which part you stop with the information, you know, just there so you end up stuck until things are explained and you find a way out. You're just stuck in the ignorance, the level of ignorance where your information can afford you, or your knowledge can afford you, you know, see it. So we're open for suggestion and we're ready for learn, see me, my general. I feel no way, man. You know, see. Yeah, man. Doing Goldberg, big up yourself, man. See? S. Roberts, give thanks for the input, my general. Yeah, man. UK unsigned. You know, see it? Yes, I. Yeah, man. Rupert Payne, mind strong, you don't know. Big up yourself, man. Mad love seeing me, man, all the time. You know, see it? Yeah. And few people don't get big up today, you know. But me have another way where me I go do it. You know, see it. And you don't know. It's a way where everybody can feel comfortable and feel nice and things like that. You know, see it. Now when I say DJ Khaled, come to Jamaica and DJ Khaled. I don't see the relevance of certain guy in our music, you know, because at Jamaica the music stay and draw certain guy to it, you know. You know, see it, and it have it potential, it already developed that level. You know, see it, it's just our artists them and our businessmen them that have now show the confidence in the music according to the music's ability. Rasta, don't there act like say reggae music need nobody help. You stop do that. A fool and not take on a selfie. You know, see it, so you can always go and jump around and blah blah. I organize the thing to organize, and the man them will make the money them selfish because in order to spread the thing across the board the right way, apply the thing across the board the right way. Them now can suck out and thief out what them usually normally thief. You know, see it, them have to make the youth them get them royalty, them real worth, them real pound of flesh and all them thing there. See? So that lazy logic says still a whole them back. You know, see, them not prepare them and make up their mind yet for make the youth them benefit. Them rather make years, decades pass and keep the industry in ignorance. You know, see, until them make up their mind what to do with the whole heap of dead body them where them collect over the years from the music. You know, see, because that for them money is where them have and be a youth and youth them rob and thief, you know. You know, see, rather than them know the gameplay, them know the distribution gameplay. You have man down there in the music now, we know the more educated about the music than the youth. Them we are trying at the music and them not teach the youth them. Them not educate the youth them. And one man, I say I try to do it. And I want young youth the other day, I can't remember what name, you know. You know, see, I hear that thing that. And them still sit down there in the youth them face with the knowledge and I use it to for them benefit. This are my benefit. This me have out of the music. This are my skills in the music. And mine, me I keep it. And it has stifled and stagnate the music because the youth them a go out there and I make some serious stupid decisions. And them sit down there with the knowledge and I enjoy it and I embrace it. The old man them, the old selfish man them, we feel like say, and them should still be star. Them want the youth them go out there and make the same mistake them what they make. So the music now progress and gone away and them guy always have to come in and I win other youth confidence. Like say, and them know everything about music. And again, them are the only resource for the youth them have towards certain knowledge and access. Which shouldn't be so. Like me say, a bounty killer build DJ Khaled. Tony Mataran is bigger than DJ Khaled. How come DJ Khaled just overtake Tony Mataran and fly blood clot past gone so? And everybody that's accept and ask themselves, oh wait, what happened? Have we not done something right here? Is this the result? What has DJ Khaled done for Jamaica music with Tony Matarana do? 10 times over. Yet he is still where he listen me now, man. Somehow not a coconut. You don't see it. You don't see it. I just so me can put it. Anyway, big up to all subscribers. Naggy World TV, Justin Blake, Great Amaziah. Big up on yourself. You know see it. And I whole heap of more subscribers there still. You know see it. So we have to just leave it there so today. You know? Cause I just saw it come general. You know see it. Enough man there star. Enough woman there. You know see it. The honey channel. Who that bad? Big up yourself anyway. Talk Black TV. Enough love and respect my family. Island Visuals. Big up yourself. Brimstone Back Cannabis. Enough love and respect. I Just Stars. The Mindset. Big up yourself. Curtis CND TV. Enough respect. Curtis CND TV. What's Up TV. Naggy World TV. The Plug. Great Amaziah TV. Seeing? And Justin Blake. Enough love and respect my family. You don't know. And I appreciate love the item present. Seeing? Chance Singer. Love, love, love you. Big up on yourself. Flicks God Music. Pete and Jade. Big up yourself. I TV. Seeing? Run Jamaica. Run JA Boss. KA. Seeing? Prof Za Mars. Big up yourself. GUI Ghetto You. Big up yourself. Mystic I. Seeing? Enough love and respect for family. You don't know. Yes, I. So you don't know. Share, like, and subscribe. You see it and make a grow the thing. Enough love and respect, man. Seeing? Keep your impurity over there. Seeing? And bring your input over here. And make sure, say, you prepare for a discussion. You make sure you prepare for teach or learn. You see? Mad love and respect. Rastafari.